Greetings and welcome to another Adventure Link thing, where in today's thing we're going to play RC cars. Yeah, or RC trucks rather. We got the old boy, the Hosim S911. So let's get down to it. And as I'm warming up, getting used to this controls, if it will be, is, or was your birthday, then congratulations, happy birthday. Make it a good one. I also want to say thanks in advance for watching. Your support for my channel, be it watching this and other videos I have on YouTube, sharing my videos with your friends and family, rates, comments, subscriptions, and all that good stuff. Especially also donating my medical bills on whatever it is in the video description. It'll be down there in the video description for you guys to check out. Remember, your shares, subscriptions, rates, and all that tells YouTube if I'm doing a good job or not. Helps boost the video engagement. Ultimately spreads the word, be it around the internet or on YouTube proper or something. And of course, you can always donate to my medical bills. It's in the video description, like I said. Any amount helps out. And as the Game from the Grave channel would say, it helps to keep this channel and myself alive and undead. So we're just doing 360s in the grass today. Ah, darn it, I crashed. Look at me go, I'm going around the block, mostly. I'm going around talk about going around the block, but this is ridiculous. Alright, now I'm just uselessly there we go, I'm freed. We're free! Now it's going in the grass here, better not let it go in the, oh sweet, it did you see that? It actually went right up on both the rear wheels and did a wheelie. Sweet. Too bad we don't have instant replay. Or too bad I don't edit these RC car adventures videos, or else I totally put an instant replay in slow motion on that one. There it goes again. Woo! Oh, it's stuck on the tree. Not anymore, it's not. Sweet. And it's stuck, yes. Hell yeah, it's stuck. Oh yeah! Dig it! Literally. Because now I gotta dig this out of the ditch. Carefully so I don't slide. Get it. Good. And of course I'm stuck on the branch. Darn it. Alright, Fro, she's out. I win. Yay! Don't you like it when you win? Because I know I do. I don't care what it is. Yeah, Hunter, we're going to wait till we get the big boy trucks fixed. Yeah, the big boy trucks, about those. Yeah, we're going to get the trucks fixed, and we're going to outfit them to make them like the rip-off of the Mickey D's Big Mac sandwiches. Whee! Oh, and it tipped over again. Oh, man. Let's get this stick out of the way. Tilt this over. Reset it. There we go. Much better. Oh, I about got my foot took out by an RC car again. And this time it was my own car. Too bad the sun is so bright. There we go. I got the truck in here. I just got to figure out which one's back and forth. I'm going to try to go around the tree. Already got, there it is. Sweet. Yep, it's stuck again. That's the problem with rear-wheel drive. It gets stuck easy. Take my advice. Always go four-wheel drive. Yeah, preferably the kind of four-wheel drive that you can control with a little switch, push button, whatever. Switch, lever, push button, whatever it is. Be it with your RC vehicles or with real-life big boy vehicles. That's not the best example in the world to grab our key. It's just a rear-wheel drive sedan, but you get the point. Gotta like the easy dig outs. Remove the stick and she's happy again. Happy as can be. Oh, it tipped over. Oops. Unfortunately, this ain't like Grand Theft Auto, where it won't, where the car won't tip back over regardless of how much you play with the controls or not. Oh well. Went behind the tree. There it is. Now we're just doing circles in the grass here. Oh, it tipped over. Well, good thing it tipped over there, because otherwise that would have went over the cliff and in the street, and I would not have been able to rescue it so easy. Probably gotta be the easiest rescue attempt I've ever had to do. To actually make it face away from me, that'd be great. But Jesus, the sun bright this afternoon. Up, it tipped again. I don't know what it is about this kind of car that is prone to tip overs very easy, but it does. I'm gonna try to make this go around the tree again. Or not, it's just gonna tip over. Alright, take two. Yeah, if there's take two, I wonder where Rockstar is. See if I can't go around the tree again. Is this it? Oh well, it's a 10-minute battery life car, expect it. Oh, it's still got a little bit of life in it. Hooray! Hooray, I can play a little more. Yay! Alright, I guess this thing's dead. Yep, it's just engine, and more engine. So yeah, that's it. We're done. Flip this around if I can.